I got two Cronus Zen, and the customer said both USB port have some issue. So in this video, I will try to fix the USB port. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computer. So don't forget to give me like, subscribe or follow. So let's start. First thing first, they have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just be careful, they have a cable here. And this is the board. So I will work on this USB port. As you can see guys, the USB is totally damaged. So let's replace it. Alright, I take the port, the old port out, and let's clean it and install a brand new port. Alright, and this is a brand new USB port, so let's install it. As you can see guys, the port is installed. So let's return all the part back and test. Alright, I return the 4 screws and it's time to test and check if it's working. And yes, the first one is fixed. So let's start with the second one. So let's fix the port or replace the port. Alright, this is the old port. And let's clean this area, and it's ready to install a new port. Alright, let's take one. Alright, the second port or the second board, it's also ready. So let's return all the part back and test. Alright, it's time to test. And yes, it's fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, if you like to fix your device, please contact me.